These days, it's easy to get frustrated about the future of our planet when you're constantly bombarded with news about crisis situations, pollution, climate change, especially if you're stuck in a traffic jam. Do you feel powerless? Changing some of your habits could make a huge difference. For example, adopting smart mobility practices like walking, cycling, and combined mobility can have a positive effect on your life, on the future of your city, and on society as a whole. Smart mobility, including more efficient goods delivery, creates jobs and growth. Public transport operators employ around 2 million people in the EU and contribute up to €150 billion to the EU economy per year. At the same time, the European cycling sector already accounts for an estimated 650,000 full-time jobs. If we doubled the number of people riding bicycles, the number of jobs in this sector would go beyond 1 million. Pedestrians, cyclists, and public transport users are good for the local economy because they tend to be more loyal to their local shops than car drivers. Cyclists alone spend €111 billion on local shops every year in Europe. Smart mobility also keeps us healthy. It fosters improved air quality and stimulates our physical activity, which could save the EU over €80 billion a year in healthcare. The health and financial costs of inactivity could be avoided if all Europeans walked or cycled an average of 20 minutes every day. Now here's another fact. Cyclists on average live 2 years longer and take 15% fewer days of sick leave. And let's not forget the IT sector, which benefits from the increasing development of new technologies such as mobility apps. It's time to see the big picture and invest in sustainable transport options. Choose smart mobility to strengthen our economy.